right on you, inside easy.
What the hell do they do that for? Like, I'm f***ing 5 laps down.
And if that wasn't bad enough, then things just started to get weird.
Well, hey again there, internet people. It's Jim again. And in here we got stainless steel shot. Got some Shine Bright solution. Got a year's worth of pennies out of my pocket change. And we have a piece of tin. It's been tumbling roughly 13 hours. Hopefully that's not too much. What we're hoping is that the little pieces of copper and the pennies have come loose, come into solution, and then they have been plated out or physically impressed into the piece of tin. If it has been too long, what will have happened is that the copper will have plated out upon the tin, and then the stainless steel shot will have started to strip that away. So we're hoping for a nice thick layer of copper and no bare spots. So let's see what we got. It's very early morning here. We have some strange shadows. Oh well. Hope you're able to see. The container is swollen. You can see that or not, but nowhere near the frame. There you are. The container is swollen. That's probably not a good sign. Oh, there we go. You see that? That is absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a brand new penny. So we're going to get that dried and clear coated. And then we're going to come back and rescue my pocket change. But this is what we was after. And it actually went to plan for once. So I'm extremely happy. Happy, happy, happy. Sorry about the air conditioner noise. One thing I wanted to say about this is if you let it oxidize, it will blacken like a bronze. It won't patina like a copper. And then you can go back, once it has darkened to whatever shade you want it, you can go back and hit the top with the superfine sandpaper, and that will bring the tin back out, so you end up with a really nice silver and black object, right? And then you can hit that with some clear coat, and then you're ready to go. But this particular one, we're just going to clear coat it and keep that nice copper look.